The Coyote Story. My son Matt and I officially established Coyote Design in 1999. The inspiration for this occurred much sooner. We were both born with congenital deformities, me with left fibular hemimelia with partial foot, and Matt with left proximal femoral focal deficiency. Matt was born shortly after I graduated from Cerritos College Prosthetics and Orthotics program. Over the next 20 years, we both had multiple surgeries to deal with these anomalies. My career was fairly typical, working as a research assistant on the empty fracture service at Rancho Los Amigos and then in private practice for 3 different companies. It wasn't until I had a Symes amputation and closed femoral shortening in 1999 that I began to seriously consider establishing my own company. I established a clinical practice, Rehab Systems, and shortly after that I began to experiment with an airtight prosthetic locking system and also an external ratchet locking system for Matt's prosthesis. Initially, we were just trying to improve suspension systems for our own patients and increase their comfort and mobility. We filed for patents on these 2 devices with the idea of selling this technology to established prosthetic manufacturers. During discussions with one of these manufacturers, we were advised they weren't interested and that we were in the best position to promote these products. We introduced the Coyote Design Airlock at a regional prosthetic orthotic meeting in 1999. This was in Reno, Nevada, and it turned out to be the ideal location to take this gamble. While sitting at the roulette table one evening in our newly minted Coyote Design shirts with the logo designed by Matt, the dealer, a guy named Sonny, asked us, "What do you do, design coyotes?" I explained to Sonny what we actually did, and the name of the company came from a paper I did in a psychology class in college, where you had to tell what animal you would be and why. Coyotes are misunderstood, comfortable alone, survivors, impossible to get rid of, and like to howl at the moon. Matt has always believed this was a junior high, not a college paper. I should have kept the paper. I think it was my only A in the class. Over the next 20 years, we took those initial designs and moved them from machine parts to injection molding to improve the quality and efficiency of production. Because we were such a small company and time was so valuable, we also designed our products to make fabrication faster, easier, and more efficient. Coyote Design started out part-time. I was managing a full-time clinical practice, and Matt was pursuing a career in disabled ski racing and later triathlon. From a pretty humble beginning, we grew every year, and when Matt retired from triathlon, our growth accelerated. Matt's tenacity is the primary reason for our success. His experience in ski racing and triathlon was good training for how to compete in the market. I think he was flying over 250,000 miles a year, both nationally and internationally. Since becoming our CEO, Coyote now has 3 divisions: Coyote Prosthetics and Orthotics, Coyote Design and Manufacturing, and Coyote Central Fabrication. Coyote Prosthetics and Orthotics was more than just a name change from Rehab System. Matt has changed the culture of the company, making it much more dynamic. We have 2 patient care locations and are preparing for a 3rd. Coyote Central Fabrication provides fabrication services for our own patient care, other customers, and our own research and development. Coyote Design and Manufacturing is responsible for the manufacturing, assembly, packaging, sales, distribution, online education, and research and development. We currently have nearly 100 standalone products with more in development. I'm personally most proud of our patented StableFlex transtibial socket design, the Airlock family of locks, and also the products we have brought to the market to improve lab efficiency, safety, and the health of our employees and customers. Our success, like any company, is directly linked to our terrific employees. They continue to be a vital link to our growth and innovation.